Alright, I'm finally at Pearl Harbor. There's Battleship Row. This is Big Mo, the USS Missouri, which I'll be on Saturday operating a state radio station. There's the Arizona. That's the memorial above it. But the brown thing to the right of the flag is the Arizona underneath. There's a white buoy out to the left. That's the bow of the ship. I'll be going out on the boat ride to visit it. I was actually out there in Fort Allen. I got access with a friend of mine. We were right, just a little bit of water between us and the Arizona, standing on the dirt over there in Fort Allen. That's so amazing. You have to watch that video. I could smell the oil. I could hear the planes coming. The planes probably weren't real, but the oil definitely was. My buddy could smell it too. Apparently still leaking out of the Arizona. It was freaking me out a little bit. Smelling it. Standing right there where Jesse Thompson was. There goes the boat back from the Arizona. Now I'm going to be riding on. I got a ticket for tomorrow, but I was down here anyway. My buddy took me up to Fort Allen. I got to be right next to the Arizona out there. I thought I'd hang around and go out in the water, be actually in Pearl Harbor. So that's what Battleship Row was right there, like you see the USS Missouri. I'll be on that ship on Saturday operating the ham station. But imagine all 8 battleships out there. This is Pearl Harbor. What's your name, sir? Hoorah, man, maybe. Would you be so kind?
Take a photo? Yeah.
No, let's run this video.
Oh! Oh, I'm so sorry.
Here we are, getting ready to go out to Arizona. Point that towards the Arizona, would you? All right. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Say hello to Pittsburgh.
Hi, Pittsburgh.
Hey, Pittsburgh, go Dodgers.
Oh.
Go Steelers.
Go Steelers.
A round rusty object you see sticking out of the water to the right of the memorial is the former platform for gun turret number 3. On December 6th,
This is the actual harbor here.
Just one day
This bridge
before
wasn't here
attack,
before.
The
The
USS
harbor goes back and
Arizona had taken
further. I'm out in the harbor when the attack happened. Getting near the Arizona, I could smell the oil when I saw the foot next to it.
To the mainland.
But this is where it all happened. This thing was full of oil. Everybody was on fire. Dead bodies all over this
The
place.
fuel that remains slowly leaks from the wreckage.
I'm in the middle of
at a rate
Pearl
about
Harbor.
1 to
Can you
2
believe
gallons
it?
per day. The National Park Service and the U.S. Navy carefully monitor the site, but at this time, the oil leakage poses no environmental hazard.
We're headed out to sea.
Once again,
I'm actually in Pearl Harbor where it all happened.
National Monument, which is the proud home of the USS Arizona Memorial, the USS Oklahoma Memorial, and the USS Utah Memorial. Today, the U.S. Navy and the National Park Service will take you on a harbor tour of Pearl Harbor and bring you close to the USS Arizona Memorial and the valiant ship that lies beneath. The mooring key closest to the bridge was reserved for the USS Nevada. The Nevada was the only battleship to get underway during the attack on Oahu. She pulled out just before 9 o'clock, after the first wave of planes had left, and valiantly headed towards the sea. At the same time, Japanese planes from the second wave were flying over Diamond Head on the southeast side of the island to continue the attack on Pearl Harbor.